Hello everyone, my name is Han Shengxiang and this is the question 9 in the homework 9 in the probability and stochastic process course. In this question, at first there is x1, x2, x3 and blah blah xi is the sequence of independent random variable and the yn is sigma xi. We want to prove or disprove the yn is a Markov chain. At first, we want to know the Markov chain is what. The Markov process, we know that the past has no influence to the future. For example, for t1 bigger than t2, bigger than t3, blah blah, bigger than tn, like in this part, the tn to blah 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 blah, we could set the t2 at the null condition and the t1 is the future condition, the next condition step. The next step, we want to know the probability of xt1 is smaller or equals to x1 in the condition of the before, and the xt2 is equals to x2, xt3 equals to x3, blah blah blah, xtn is equals to xn, and because of the no influence on the future, so the past have no influence. So the next in the future time, the x probability of xt1 is just on the conditional of the null part is equals to the xt1 smaller than x1 in the condition of the xt2 equals to x2. So in this question, we want to prove that the sigma xi, the yn, is the Markov chain. So at first, we could set the probability of yn plus 1 in the condition of yn equals to yn, the yn equals to yn minus 1 equals to yn minus 1 and blah blah blah, the y1 equals to y1, like this. And we want to prove this probability is equals to this probability. So we could set this, the yn is equals to sigma xi, the yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus the xn plus 1 and equals to yn, the yn minus 1 equals to yn minus 1 and so on. And for this, we could set it is equals to small yn plus the xn plus 1 in condition of yn equals to small yn and so on. And for this probability, we could see that the yn is just for the yn, so the yn is also includes the yn minus 1, so the yn plus 1 is not on the condition of the before, just for the second ordinary past, so it's equals to the probability of yn plus x plus 1 in the condition of yn is equals to small yn, and this is not the condition, it's no influence. So the next we could restore it to the yn plus 1 in the condition of yn equals to yn. So we set this probability and to this form, and this form is also this form. So because of the xn is independent, so it could use this part and but put this out. So it only depend. So this form is only depend on the second order, but the past has no influence. Past has no influence to the future, so we could prove that this yn is the Markov chain. That's all. Thank you.